Hey and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how I use Notion as a content creator. And this Notion system that I use is based on the Creators Copilot Notion system that you can get at Grizzly Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link to that system in the comments. So let's get started. I made this Notion system for myself to manage all my creator activities. On the homepage, I have this task manager with today's agenda, with all the tasks that I have planned for today, with a priority and status. And then also on the same homepage, I have all my posts in different states: draft, scheduled, published, and publishing calendar. And if we go inside any of the posts, let's say this one, you can see here post type, which can be video, long form, short form, article, carousel, platform, category, publishing date, status, and the actual contents of the post. And then also down here I have post categories, so I can go inside any category and see what I have and also use it as an inspiration for the new posts. And also social media platforms, so I can track what I publish on what platform. Then in the tasks, projects, and goals, I track all my tasks. So we have tasks for today and non-completed tasks, and tasks which are related to specific project, calendar, and then the actual project manager here with a calendar and goals tracking. In the newsletter manager, I track my newsletters that I send to the customers, and here each newsletter has a segment, category, date, related offer or related product, status, and type if it's email or sequence, and also here the contents of the newsletter, and also the calendar here, so no newsletters for this week. I also made a section to track my products, so I have here a list of all my products in different statuses: published, draft, and unpublished. So I can just come in here, take the link to the product that I need and publish it or use it when I need it. And also I have this product launch roadmap where I just track the steps or any notes that I need to launch specific product. I also have inspirations and bookmarks section, so I keep track of different resources for personal use, for marketing, for business, and I can use those resources later on as an inspiration for new content. So I have here collection, category, when I added it, and also URL to the original resource. And then I also have this finances section where I keep track of my income and expenses for every month and affiliates. So I keep track of who I affiliate for and also of my affiliates. So yeah, this is how I use Notion as a content creator to run my business. And if you are interested in this system, I will leave the link in the comments. And I hope you like it, and thank you for watching this video.